I've been waiting for some of these things to come so that I can get some other videos out to you about our curriculum for next year. So I'm really excited to be able to unbox these things today because now everything is here. I just have one more thing that I need to order probably later into summer because I want to see if I can get a little bit of it used before I buy anything brand new. But let's go ahead and open my Thriftbooks order along with my Sonlight box that I ordered last week. So here we go. I already sliced the Thriftbooks bags open so that it will be a little bit easier. But we have some books that go with our Sonlight History Bible Literature Level F program. It's focused on Eastern Hemisphere for next year. And so these are some of the books that go with that. And I think a couple of other books that I have for our geography from the Gentle and Classical Press, the On Mission magazines that we're going to be doing, which I've really been wanting to film a video about these. So today will help with that. Okay, so we have Whatever Happened to Penny Candy. This goes with our Sonlight. I think all of these do. Mary Slessor, which is from the Christian Heroes Then and Now series, which we have loved all of the books that we've ever read from that series. In fact, maybe I'll just do a dedicated video on that company because they are really, really good. This is the poetry book that goes with Sonlight Level F History Bible Literature, which is All the Small Poems and 14 More by Valerie Worth. And then this is Seven Daughters and Seven Sons. This is one of the read alouds or readers. I can't remember. Okay. This next book is the Praying Through the 100 Gateway Cities of the 1040 Window. And this is part of the Bible section for HBLF. And then this book, Help Your Kids with Geography, is a recommended book for the On Mission Geography magazines that we're going to be using from Gentle and Classical Press. So I am really excited to look through this a little bit, and we'll show you more about that in coming videos. Okay, two more thrift book bags. This one just has one heavy book. And this is the Encyclopedia of Animals, and this was also on the recommended list for geography because in each of the magazine issues, they have a focus on some sort of animal that's from that place. And so this was recommended for more information about those animals. So I picked this up. I feel like we can never have too many books about animals, at least at our house. Animals on land and marine life. My kids really love those types of books. So I picked this up. It was pretty inexpensive. And then my last Thriftbooks bag has this book, which is The Radical Book for Kids, Exploring the Roots and Shoots of Faith by Champ Thornton. This is the Bible book that goes with our Sonlight program. I'm not sure exactly how it's scheduled because our schedule's in here, so I will let you know about that later. But if it's like past years, this is probably maybe once or twice a week reading along with Bible reading for the student and for the parents. And then this last book is I Rode a Horse of Milk White Jade, and this goes with our Sonlight HBLF. Okay, so now for the really exciting unboxing or box day for Sonlight. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to take out all the brown paper. One thing I appreciate about Sonlight and several other companies when they are boxing up curriculum, they put lots of nice packing material around it so that nothing gets damaged, and I really appreciate that. Now, this is the packing slip and a Sonlight box day flyer. Now, what I ordered from Sonlight is basically just everything that I couldn't get used. So When I went to order my Sonlight Level F this year, I started out by ordering an eBay box that had 41 books, and 37 of those books were from the HBLF program. The other few were from the Science for Level F, which is different now. So anyway, you can go back and watch that book haul video if you'd like to. I will link it up above. Then after I got that box, I went and ordered from Thriftbooks, and so that's what all of this was. And then anything that I couldn't get from those two things, I just ordered straight from Sonlight. So I got a couple of books and some other resources. So this was one of the books that I couldn't find used, Around the World in 80 Days. And I don't know why, but I really just wanted the book that had this particular cover. They have other covers of this book, but I wanted this one. I liked it the best. So that is what I got for that. And then I got Burying the Sun by Gloria Whalen. And this one I couldn't find used at all. So the next thing that I got here is the Life in Old Japan coloring book. And this goes along with HBL Level F. If you scroll down to the very bottom of that level that you're looking at, it'll give you additional resources that you might be interested in. They're not required. They don't come with the package, but they're kind of optional add-ons. And so my daughter really likes to color while I'm doing any kind of reading. So I showed her the options. There was one for Antarctica, I believe, and then this one. And she picked getting this one. And we'll probably go up to our local used homeschool bookstore and get some more because they carry the Dover coloring books and she really likes those. So we got that. I also ordered the Eastern Hemisphere timeline figures because we keep a timeline book. And I will show more about this when I talk about Sonlight Level F specifically. But we really wanted these. And these are really great because they are stickers. So you just cut these apart. I like to organize them a certain way. I'll be showing you all about that. And then we just add a couple a week while we're going through the program. Another thing that I really like to order from Sonlight are the book and binder labels. I don't use a giant Sonlight binder usually, but I do like to have all the books labeled. So as you can see, there are just little stickers that say F, and this helps me to organize everything on our shelves. And one of the main reasons that I really like that is because if my daughter takes a book and is reading it, or she is reading something from a past level that she wants to reread, it's really easy to figure out where it goes on our shelves. So I really like having those. They're only like $3, so well worth the $3. The next thing I got is the Eastern Hemisphere notebook. This is a pack of notebooking pages. So I'm really excited about these. None of the other levels we've used ever have any sort of notebooking pages that go along with it. So I can't wait to dig into these. Next, we have the instructor's guide for Level F Eastern Hemisphere, and I always like to get the 5-day option. So that's what this is, and I will be going through all of these things and how I organize them in future videos. And the last thing in my box is the China kit. And if you order the Sonlight Level F History Bible Literature, like the whole program, this would come with it. You don't have to buy this extra. But since I didn't buy the whole package, I needed a few extra things. And so this is the China kit. And I'll just open it up to kind of show you a little peek. But there's this really cute little box. Pretty little box. And it has a calligraphy set, I believe is what this is. And so that will be really fun. Oops. And then there is a little card game, some chopsticks, a manual that comes with it, and this is some paper that goes along with the calligraphy, I believe. Yes, so it's a calligraphy set, a rice paper pack, domino cards, chopsticks, and then the manual. So that will be really fun. And I can't wait to share about that next year when we are doing Sonlight Level F. I'm going to keep all of this hopefully neatly in the box for when we need it. So look forward to some videos about our Sonlight History Bible Literature Level F program, along with our Geography on Mission magazines from Gentle and Classical Press. I'm really excited to share about those with you really soon. So stay tuned. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope that you'll stick around here at our homeschool table. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and we'll see you next time.